Want to burn fat while you're in bed? Yes, you heard that right. In just a few simple habits, you can torch those calories while you sleep. Stick around to learn 5 bedtime habits that can help you burn fat overnight. Okay? Let's be real. Who doesn't love a good night's sleep? But what if you could get even more out of it than just rest? What if you could lose fat while you're under those cozy covers? Well, with these 5 bedtime habits, you're about to turn your sleep into a fat-burning session. Let's dive in. Drink a warm cup of green tea. It's packed with antioxidants and casein that rev up your metabolism. A warm cup before bed not only helps you relax, but also keeps your fat-burning engine running all night long. Bonus, it won't keep you awake. Like coffee, power up with protein at dinner. Make sure your dinner has a solid dose of protein. When you eat protein before bed, your body stays in fat-burning mode. Your muscles repair while you sleep, and protein helps keep you feeling full longer, preventing late-night cravings. So skip the carbs and load up on lean protein to keep the fat-burning process going while you're out. Cold, sleep in a cooler room. Believe it or not, your room temperature can impact how much fat you burn while you sleep. Studies show that sleeping in a cooler room boosts your metabolism and activates brown fat, which is responsible for burning calories. Keep your room cool and let your body work to keep you warm. It's a fat-burning double whammy. Drink water before bed. Water is everything, but especially before bed. A glass of water before sleep helps keep your body hydrated and boost your metabolism. It also prevents water retention, so you wake up feeling lighter. Hydration is key for fat loss, so don't skip that nighttime sip. Get enough sleep. Finally, one of the most important habits, sleep itself. Lack of sleep messes with your hormones, making you hungrier and more likely to store fat. But getting a solid 7 to 10 hours of sleep every night, that's when the fat burning magic happens. Deep quality sleep is essential for fat loss, so snuggle up and let your body do the work while you rest. Now that you know the 5 bedtime habits that help you burn fat, it's time to make them part of your nightly routine. Don't just sleep. Sleep smart and watch the fat melt away. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips to help you get healthier and fit while having the best sleep of your life.